Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever found it difficult to reach those tricky spots between your teeth, then you know how important it is to have the right tool to clean every corner of your mouth. Today, I'm reviewing DenTek Easy Brush Cleaners for extra tight spaces. These tiny tools are designed to make flossing easier and more effective, especially for those of us who struggle with tight spaces between teeth. If you're looking to get rid of plaque in those hard-to-reach spots, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon for more tips and honest reviews like this. Now let's talk about these DenTek Easy Brush Cleaners. This 16-count pack features a set of compact brushes that are meant to slide into tight spaces, offering an easy way to clean between your teeth. These brushes are specifically designed to help you maintain your oral hygiene routine with precision and ease. They come with a flexible, ergonomic handle that makes them easy to grip. Plus, the bristles are designed to effectively remove plaque and debris. The bristles are soft, yet firm enough to do the job without being harsh on your gums or enamel. When I first tested the DenTek Easy Brush Cleaners, I immediately noticed how simple they were to use. The handle is the perfect size for a comfortable grip, and the brush itself is small enough to reach into the tightest spaces between my teeth. I've tried other interdental brushes in the past, but what sets these apart is the flexible wire that allows the brush to bend slightly, making it easier to navigate around corners or angled teeth. Now let's get real. The design is great for everyday use, and it works well even for areas that regular floss or larger brushes can't quite reach. But on the flip side, I do find that the brush heads might be a bit too small for people with wider gaps between their teeth, as it can be a little time-consuming to clean every space, especially if you have multiple tight spots to deal with. But for those of you with tight spaces, it's a game changer. Pros: compact design, perfect for tight spaces. Soft yet firm bristles that effectively remove plaque. Flexible handle makes it easy to maneuver. Convenient 16-count pack. Cons: not ideal for those with wider gaps between teeth. Can take a little extra time for multiple tight spaces. As far as value for money goes, these brushes are fairly priced for the convenience they offer, especially considering you get 16 brushes in a pack. They're not the cheapest option out there, but I think the quality justifies the cost. The bristles do a great job of getting into small spaces, and I haven't had any issues with them falling apart or losing effectiveness. If you're someone who finds traditional flossing too awkward or time-consuming, these brushes are definitely a great alternative to consider. If you prefer something even more budget-friendly, there are some similar options out there. But I've found that the DenTek brushes perform better than a lot of the cheaper brands I've tried. Now, as for build quality, I have to say I'm impressed. The handles are sturdy and the bristles are resilient. I've been using these for a few weeks now, and they still feel just as effective as they did on day one. So I'd say these should last you a while if you're using them properly and keeping them clean. So who would benefit from these? Honestly, if you have narrow spaces between your teeth or have trouble with plaque buildup in certain spots, the DenTek Easy Brush Cleaners are a solid choice. It's a great tool for anyone looking to enhance their oral care routine without the hassle of traditional floss. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on them, the link is in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you've used these brushes, drop a comment below. Let us know how they worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.